National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County, Southeastern Dearborn County, SVRILN County, Carroll County, Kenton County, Northern Campbell County, Boone County, Northern Grant County, Central Owen County, Gallatin County, until 1 a.m. At midnight, a severe thunderstorm was located over Madison, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Atwood, Florence, Ryle, Northcutt, Big Bone Lick, Wheatley, Brack, Covington, Moorfield, Villa Hills, Crescent Park, Ricedale, Vevey, Crestview Hills, Fort Thomas, Kirkus Grove, Southgate, Edgewood, and Uthridge. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Kentucky between mile markers 39 and 77. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 158 and 191. You are listening to